So I did a cover of Folsom Prison Blues, and many of you asked me how to play it. Here are the chords, as you can see. You all know how to play A, A7, D, and E7. So what I will start with is the strum. Boom, chugga, 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 boom, chugga, 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 boom, chugga, 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 boom, chugga, chugga, chugga. I'm going to count a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a... Nice and slow. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a... So you can see where I'm doing that chuck strum where you strum and closely follow it with a mute. On the 1, I'm picking the low G string. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and...
Some Johnny Cash. Hear the train a-comin', rolling down the bend. I ain't seen the sunshine since I don't know when, but now I'm stuck in Folsom Prison, and time keeps dragging on. But that train keeps on a-rollin' down to San Antone. And I was just a baby, my mother told me once, always be a good girl, don't ever play with guns. But I shot my man in Reno just to watch him die. When I hear that whistle blowing, I hang my head